Hello everyone, welcome back to the Knowledge Channel. So guys, thank you for your such lovely support in our previous videos at Knowledge Channel. Racism, poverty, traffic pollution. Guys, in the world there are so many countries with problems, and it seems like every country and every person is filled with problems. So who has the solutions to answer those big questions? So at Knowledge Channel today, we'll take you to one country in the whole world which has answers to all of these questions. We should definitely learn from this country that has the same problems as all of us, but has managed to find solutions, because this is the incredible story of the almost perfect country in the world. So guys, come with me and let's check it out which is this country. But before starting with the video, I would like to request to you all that kindly subscribe to the channel and join the Knowledge Channel family to get such powerful videos daily on your YouTube browse page. So guys, the country name is Singapore. Yes, in Singapore many races live. The Indians, the Malay, the Chinese, Eurasians, and because people of different races might disagree and hate each other, Singapore forced all of them to live together in buildings on top of each other, next to each other. So instead of enemies, they are neighbors, and because of this, Singapore built a racial harmony that many countries in the world don't have. Also guys, many countries also suffer from a very big problem known as traffic. It was the worst problem in Singapore until they fixed it. In Singapore, they limited the number of cars on the road. They made rule that the number of cars total in the entire country cannot increase. Many people in Singapore, instead of using cars, take public transportation, and very few people are stuck in traffic every day. Also guys, pollution is another environmental problem everywhere around the world. Landfills look and smell disgusting in many countries, but in Singapore they do not, because they take their trash, they burn it, filter out the smoke, collect the ashes and dump them under in a water in a man-made island. So instead of looking ugly, this island looks so clean, it looks like a resort. And you can't even imagine that this island is made from trash. Another problem is fresh water. So much of it is wasted every day, but not in Singapore. These guys built an entire system that takes their washroom water and turns into clean water that humans can drink. It's in Singapore that you realize water should never ever be wasted again. When I saw the way they built and did things, from water system in Air Force buildings to gardens, I was amazed, because all of the problems above mentioned they solved in 53 years since they gained independence. Guys, one thing I want to tell you, that don't get me wrong. Singapore still has a lot of problems with no solutions at all, which includes suffering from inequality, high prices, tight security, and many elderly people still can't afford to retire here. Many imported foreign workers are very low paid, and the government can be too restrictive. Even gum is illegal here. But Singapore has many problems, but unlike many countries, they are trying to fix them. That's why their passport is the strongest, their seaport is the second busiest, water is the cleanest, greatest landfills are the prettiest, and people are the friendliest. We arrived in Singapore saying we hate Singapore because I was jealous, but now I am leaving Singapore saying I love Singapore, because there's a lot we can learn from them if they can solve so many problems in just 53 years of gaining independence. So guys, what do you think about Singapore and their problem solving abilities? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. So guys, thank you for watching our video on the Knowledge Channel. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Take care.